Mersin Olgunlaşma Enstitüsü is an important institution in Turkey that was established in 2011 with the aim of researching, developing, and preserving traditional handicrafts, particularly widespread in Mersin, without compromising their characteristics and transferring them to contemporary generations. The Institute operates as the only institution in the region dedicated to researching popular handicrafts in Mersin and preserving intangible cultural values with a focus on Yörük culture. Mersin Olgunlaşma Enstitüsü offers services in 5 areas: decorative handicraft technology, decorative home textile technology, fashion design technologies, food and beverage, and research and development. These areas encompass 17 workshops, including home textiles, fashion design, clothing production, embroidery, needle lace, tile, miniature, ceramics, illumination, glass, promotion and marketing, art design, fashion design, graphics and photography, printing, woodwork, and weaving. The Institute's primary focus areas include needle lace, ceramic, glass painting, and weaving. Mersin is known as one of the rare regions in Turkey where the art of needle lace is preserved, producing it in a form suitable for everyday use. The Institute also incorporates traditional Turkish motifs in its tile and miniature works. The ceramic workshop draws inspiration from archaeological findings and Yörük motifs to contribute to urban culture by producing souvenir items. The glass workshop engages in traditional glass painting, curated painting, and souvenirs. In addition to the workshops, the Institute features an exhibition space where carefully curated products are displayed. This area showcases a collection of products representing various arts. Mersin Olgunlaşma Enstitüsü participates in local festival and on a national level collaborated with the Çukurova Development Agency in the Glasswork by Women's Hand project in 2013 and the From Pen to Keyboard Mold project in 2017. Internationally, the Institute has been involved in the projects such as Grundtwig Women Tics project in 2013, Mersin Educators in Europe project in 2016, and Education for Everyone Everywhere project in 2022. The Office of Research and Development, particularly focused on Erasmus projects, conducts research and development related to the field. Continuing its role as a cultural bridge from past to the future, Mersin Olgunlaşma Enstitüsü diligently continuing its work.
A cultural bridge from the past to the future. Mersin Maturation Institute.